Hello, everybody. I'm here back once again with another review video of the Lending Club peer-to-peer lending platform. Almost more than 3 months back, I had posted a video regarding my 1 month experience with investing in the Lending Club peer-to-peer platform. A 1 month review video, and today, after almost 3 to 4 months, I am posting a follow-up video of how this particular investment platform has fared for me. Earlier in the earlier video, I had showed you about the returns that I have received in 1 month of investing on the Lending Club peer-to-peer lending platform. I had invested around 10,000 rupees at that time, but since then I went ahead and invested another 20,000 rupees. So you can see here, 30,000 rupees has been invested in this Lending Club platform, and the expected returns is 5,800 rupees. So in the past, the 30,000 rupees that I invested, I have received back the principal amount of 24,166 rupees and another interest amount of 2,038 rupees so far. And in these 4 to 5 months, I have not yet experienced any defaults or any write-offs. Yes, I did experience a number of delays, but almost all of those delays were repaid eventually, except one, to which I will be sharing with you in a short while. But before I go there, I would like to just share with you my current month returns. Current month, that is the month of February 2021, upon an investment of 30,000 rupees, I have received an interest of 877 rupees 84 paise, which is a very good amount. The annualized rate of returns is close to 30%. 30% is the annualized rate of returns that I have received this month, for my investment, which is quite good, because the share market alone, the average returns that you can expect from the share market alone is 12%. Annualized rate of returns is 12%, but here I have received almost close to 30%. So this month, so it's a quite good deal, and I'm quite happy about this. And if you go down, you can here you can see that so far in all these months, there were 99 loans in which I had invested. Out of that 99 loans, 13 loans have been closed on time. And then this is the interesting part over here, not the closed ones, but prepaid. That means 16 loans, you can see under the prepaid section, that is 16 loans have been prepaid ahead of time. It has been closed ahead of time. The people have prepaid the EMI amounts ahead of time. That is more than the closed loans, which was paid in time. Still 69 loans are still running. One is yet to be dispersed, and this is what I wanted to talk to you about. The delay, one loan, 2 months EMIs has been delayed. I have experienced several delays, like I said earlier, but almost all has been paid back, except this one person. He has not paid me 2 months EMI. 500 rupees was invested in this particular person. That's what in Lending Club lending platform, you can invest as little as 500 rupees in a particular person. You can lend as small as little as 500 rupees, and that diversifies your investment amount and brings down your risk in case somebody defaults. So upon the 500 rupees that I invested in him, he paid back one EMI of 181 rupees 66 paise, but the month of January EMI has not been received, and the month of February EMI has not been received. It is still classified under delayed. It is not yet default. It's not yet classified under default, or it's not yet written off. So hence, we can still hope that this money will be received. That Lending Club will find ways to retrieve this particular amount, the principal and the interest. But in my mind, in my personal accounting, in my mind, I have sort of written it off. Last month, EMI amount, I wrote it off in my personal accounting and in my mind. And even after writing it off, I still made over more than 400 rupees interest, last month, which is more than 13, almost close to 14% annualized rate of return, which is quite good when the share market is giving an average rate of return of 12%. Annualized rate of return of 12% is still good. And if I write off, this particular amount, EMI amount, 181 rupees 66 paise this month, I will still make a decent interest this month. So let's see. This month I have made an interest of 877 rupees. So 877 rupees point 84 minus 181.66, I will still make an interest of 696.81 rupees, which is still around 22 or 23% annualized rate of returns, which is quite good. So even if I for example, even if I face a default of 3 EMIs a month, I am still making above the market average of 12% annualized rate of returns. So this month I am making almost 23% annualized rate of returns, which is quite good on on any type of investment. And I'm quite happy with the investment that I have made and the rate of return that I have received, and with the Lending Club lending platform so far. And I will share with you, I will update a few more videos in the months to come, sharing with you updates on how my investment goes. So if this video has helped you, and if you have liked this video, and if it will help you make decisions for yourself, for your investment decisions for yourself, please do like the video, please do share it, and please do subscribe to our channel, and I will come back to you with further videos, with further updates on this particular investment. Until then, take care, and I will see you guys soon.